Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Topcon FC 200 data logger and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If your data logger is frozen or it's not responding or it's failing to connect to something or it's not working or not reading the cards, any kind of troubleshooting issues, and you've tried a soft reset, you've tried a power cycle, it's not working, and you just need to go to the next step, a hard reset will fix a lot of this. You will need to set it up because everything will be wiped off of it, which is the second reason you might want to do it. If you just want to wipe everything off of this so that you can turn it on like it was when it came out of the box and you can just set it up as a new device, we can go ahead and do this. You will need like a paper clip or something like that to push the reset button. So what you're going to do is you're going to open this little cover where you get to the SD cards and everything. And it's a little hard to see, but it actually says reset here. So there's this slot here for the card, and then there's this kind of indentation here. And actually right in there is the reset button. So what you need to do is push your paperclip in there and hold it for at least 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, that will initiate a hard factory reset to the default factory settings.